Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to our second class of Arabic Grammar Series. As you know, in our previous class we have discussed the first part of the Arabic term Kalimah. I told you that the Arabic term Kalimah could be divided into three parts. And the first part is ism, which is noun in English. But there is a difference between the noun of Arabic and the English, which we have cleared in our previous video. If you do not know the difference between the noun of the Arabic and the noun of the English, you should go to our first video. Then after watching that video, you must come here. Let's start our today's lesson. Here we request you that if you did not subscribe to my channel still, you should subscribe because of my playlist. Let's start. The second part of the term Kalimah is verb. It is called in Arabic fi'lun. Fi'lun. Fi'l is actually the word by which we understand some work or action being done. It is like verb in English. You know well that in English the verb is the action done by any person or the action about any person. This is called verb in English. Same like in Arabic fi'lun. Fi'l is actually the word by which we understand some work or action being done. The Arabic fi'l could be divided into three kinds. Could be divided into three kinds. We will learn the classification of the fi'l in our coming videos, but in today's I will give you just overview. The first kind is called perfect tense or the past. The Arabic word is al-Madi. Al-Madi. The Madi. This is used for an action which is completed. Which is completed. The word shape for this is like fa'ala. Fa'ala the meaning of fa'ala is he did. He did. Kataba, he wrote. Kataba, he wrote. Dakhala, dakhala, he entered. He entered. This is the first kind of the verb. This is the first kind of the verb. It is called perfect tense as well. It is called past as well. It indicates to the event that has already occurred. You can see here the classification of fi'l. Mazi, muzari, amr. Past tense verb. For example, kataba. The second is called in Arabic al-mudari'u. Al-mudari'u. The imperfect tenses. The imperfect tense is used when an action is not completed. You can see here mudari' present and future tense verb. We can say present and future tense verb. Helps, for example, yansuru. The word here is yansuru. The meaning of yansuru is helps or will help. You know, helps is the present tense of the English, and will help is the future tense of the English. So the kind of the Arabic mudari' is used for present and future. We will tell you when we want to use specifically for present what we do, and likewise we will explain that when we use for future specifically what we do. We'll tell you in our coming series. So the imperfect tenses, the mudari' is used when an action is not completed. For example, the word yaf'alu, it means he does, or he is doing, or he will do. It has three meanings. He does, he is doing, or he will do. But if we want to mudari' specifically for present indefinite, what we do? I will tell you in my coming videos. I will give you the specific lecture for this. What if you want to use the mudari' as present continuous? What we will do? What letter we will add with mudari', with the word mudari', and it will give us the meaning for the present continuous. I will tell you everything, each and everything in my coming videos. Therefore, you should continuously learn with me. So I told you, yaf'alu, this word has three meanings. He does, he is doing, or he will do. The second example is yaktubu. 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 It means he writes. He is writing. He will write. The third example is yadkhulu. Yadkhulu. He enters. He is entering. He will enter. So this is the second kind of the Arabic fi'l. I told you the first kind is mazi. The second kind is mudari'. You can see here in the picture. The third one is imperative sentence. You know, if you have learned the English grammar, you know very well the imperative sentence. Yes, commanding verb. In this sentence, we use commanding verb. The imperative tense or the amr, al-amru, the amr, which signifies command, request or supplication. Command, request or supplication. For example, we have the example if'al. The meaning of if'al is do. Uktub. The meaning of uktub is write. Udkhul. The meaning of udkhul is enter. So the third kind of the Arabic term fi'l is amr, al-amr, imperative or command verb. Imperfect tense, present or future, indicates both on the present and future. I told you everyone, I clarified everything. Yansuru means helps or will help. That might remind you of what we talked about previously, that for a verb to be imperfect, it needs to have one of 4 letters at the front. The third type of the verb is the command verb, like ishrab. ishrab means drink, So that's why that is the today's lesson, and we will tell you more things about the types of verbs and about the types of ism noun in our sub lectures, in our coming lectures. So we hope you have understood each and everything very clearly, and you have kept each and everything in your mind. If you have any question in your mind, please ask us in comment section. We will respond you. So that's today. Thanks for being here. Once again, I request you that if you did not subscribe to my channel, you should subscribe to my channel. And why you should subscribe to my channel? For the answer of this why, you should visit my playlist. You will observe, you will watch that this channel is very important for learning things. Thank you.